Hey, welcome back to another episode of McLarty Films. Today I have a new product, a new microphone. It's called the AudioWow B2. It's what I'm wearing around my neck here. I have one of their other products called the AudioWow that's recording my audio currently. The AudioWow B2 or the Finalace is a 3D binaural microphone. So let's see here, they call it a high sensitivity omnidirectional 3D microphone. So you will have a sense of depth and direction to your sound when you're recording, because there are, in each earpiece, there are microphones. And I'm not sure, there might be also microphones in this piece, but it gives you a sense of direction and a sense of 3D immersive sound in your audio recordings, which is very cool. And I will switch over to recording with this microphone in a second, as soon as I talk to you for a little bit. Like all of Sabina Tech, which is the company that's produced this microphone, like all of Sabina Tech's microphones, it is a Bluetooth microphone, which means that it's wireless. It easily connects to your mobile phone, so you can either record just the pure audio with the app, or you can record to the camera application inside of the AudioWow app. And this is actually the AudioWow B2. The Finalace app is called Met Audio, and I'll be demonstrating how to use the app in a second. Their microphones feature sound cards so that you can do noise reduction, you have different effects, and so it's very, very powerful. They are very, very powerful microphones in small packages. Okay, I am now using the binaural setting with the auto default setting in the app, in the Met Audio app, which is specifically for this 3D microphone by Sabina Tech. So I'm going to demonstrate very quickly a couple of sound making objects. And oh no, where'd my rubber band go? Oh, here we go. Okay, so rubber band. Okay, that was cool. Ping pong ball. Different surfaces here. The paper. Okay. Zipper. Pretty quiet zipper. The crinkly paper. Grip tape. Okay. And some dice. Vegas dice. Big money. So these mics are really sensitive and pick up all these details. Ping pong ball. Come on now. Okay, I tried some Velcro there, but it wasn't very loud. So that's about it, my friends. I will test more with human voice when I have some actors to assist me. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. And, oh wait, how about some flips of paper? Yeah. All right. So I I hope that's it for now, and I will be in Las Vegas for CES this year, and I'll be testing out similar devices like this and really cool electronic gadgets. And once again, this was the Finalace by Sabina Tech, also known as the AudioWow B2. Finalace, the omnidirectional Bluetooth mic by Sabina Tech. Check it out. This is a way to make your sound more immersive and 3D with a sense of direction and depth. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks a lot. Adios, amigos.